Hi, Ilia here, GIO Landscapes, and I've got my beautiful mom Maria Goffman as the camera person. I've got a beautiful day here in UK, it's very sunny, and the most important thing is for you to stay active at home and in the garden and eat healthy if possible. And you too, mum. Okay, well, with that, let's start with the show. I've got 5 mowers here, they all need servicing. 3 of them are customers and 2 of them are mine. I've got my Beast 160cc Mountfield right here. That just needs a full service of the spark plug, air filter, oil change, cleaning the carburetor, sharpening the blade. This Mountfield with the Briggs & Stratton Quantum XE 4.0 engine just needs a full service and fixing the handle. This electric Flymo just needs the electric cord plugging back in properly. This Vantage 35 needs service and the starter repair, and the Beast Mountfield SP53 just needs a minor service and the carburetor cleaned. It's a bit embarrassing making videos, but it's fun. Got my neighbours here.